Hey, Tonya.
What's up, John?
I tell you what's up. Carnival finally released the star system, how you can earn reward points.
Stay tuned and we'll tell you all about it.
So, last week, Carnival announced the star system, which is going to be kind of like a hotel or airplane, the airlines, how they do the reward program. All right. Diamond, if you're a diamond right now, you're diamond forever. I guess girl's best friend, diamonds are forever. They don't have
Not my best friend.
What's that?
I'm not a diamond girl.
No. So diamonds will keep their status if they're diamonds now for forever. You have until, was it June 1st of this year to get your diamond. Okay? I seen this. Right now, look into your Carnival app. Go to your special rewards. You know how they give you cruises? 3 times the VIFP points.
Tell them.
3 times the VIFP points. So if you take a 10-day cruise and you got 170 points, you need 30, guess what? That's 30 points.
But listen,
you're a diamond.
but that's, okay, you're a diamond. If you make it to diamond, you're a diamond permanently.
Right.
But if you move up to platinum, and you're not a diamond, that you have to do that every year.
So it is good to move up to platinum too if you're gold, and I'll tell
Or
you
you
why.
don't stay platinum. It's every year. You have to change that.
But if you like your status of gold and getting all these things, if you move up to platinum, you have 2 years.
You'll never drop below gold.
That's right.
Yep.
That's right.
I'm trying to make it simple for him before he goes into a whole long speech. But yeah, if you make it to platinum, if you don't cruise regularly,
right,
you'll never drop below gold.
So
you wouldn't be a blue again or red.
Or red, right.
Yep.
So there is a benefit to make it to platinum before end of May, beginning of June.
Yep.
Yes. So let's break this down because I didn't want to talk about, hey, the points, this, that, and this until I have some concrete written down how Carnival is going to break down the points for us. Mm-hmm. I got it. Mm-hmm. Let's talk about it. Okay. So you book a Carnival cruise, right? For every dollar you spend on purchasing Carnival cruise is 3 points. That's on the cruise, airfare with them.
What about the casino and stuff?
That's coming up. Transfers and onboard spending is 3 stars. Okay? 1 star for $1 at the casino.
Oh, and some people blow money like crazy in the casino.
I agree. So, I calculated how much we spend, okay? The cruise, usually we get a balcony. Sometimes, all depends, we get the cheer program. Mm-hmm. We get the Wi-Fi so we can stay in touch with the family. And we usually go to 2 specialty dinings.
What about drink package?
That's the cheers I'm talking about.
Okay.
The cheers would be 3 points because that's on-board spending and all that, okay? And I usually put in, how much we buy souvenirs and stuff like that. Yeah. So it equals about 15,000 stars.
For us.
Okay. Remember that, 15,000 stars. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now let's go down to where our loyalty program is. They did away with the blue. There's no more blueberries.
Okay.
No more.
So what, do they start at red now?
Yes. You earn automatically upon joining the program red.
Okay.
You're red. So instead of blueberries, you're a strawberry.
Well, people might not know what blueberries are. If you get the blue card, they're known to be called the blueberries, guys. We all had to go through that. We all had to start somewhere.
Right.
So, but it's the blue card is what he's mentioning. So no more blue card.
Right. So
he's not saying there won't be blueberries on the ship. There will be still blueberries on the ship, I'm sure.
Right. So if you are a cruiser and you basically do the status of us, after one cruise, you'll move up to gold. because it's 10,000 stars you need.
Per year?
No, every 2 years they do this.
Every 2 years.
So you got 2 years to make this qualification. So if you do the one cruise like we do, you'll be gold automatically. Okay?
But if you don't cruise but every 3-4 years, you're
still
going
be
to probably
gold.
stay gold. No, red, right?
No.
If they don't cruise more than once every 2, 3, 4 years, they're going to stay red. They're not going to move up.
You're right, but if you do
Yeah.
one,
You'll stay red.
if you do one cruise,
You'll be gold for 1 year.
no, 2 years. It's a 2-year program.
Okay, well,
yeah.
still.
So if you do one cruise at 15,000 points, you're gold. So you can stay gold forever.
But if you don't cruise again for 3 years,
And then you,
yeah, that's my point. Okay.
yeah, I guess you go back down
it's
to red.
here or there,
This-
your color, whatever. It's
yeah, this is confusing, sometimes.
whatever. I mean, you can cruise no matter what. You just, who cares what color your card is? It's just the perks,
Now-
guys. It's just the perks,
This is
which aren't really all that great.
this is a little bit tougher. Well, when you move up to platinum, they're pretty good.
Yeah.
So to qualify for platinum, you need 50,000 points, stars. Okay, that means we have to do 4 cruises to qualify for platinum in 2 years on Carnival.
Which we pretty much,
Sometimes we do, sometimes
well,
we
not
don't.
all on Carnival. We
Right.
do multiple cruises per year, but not on Carnival all the time. So,
Right.
and we may not do Carnival all the time. We're starting to find other cruise lines that we enjoy.
Right. And they're just saying, okay, if you do all this, the transfers, the alcohol package, the souvenirs, the cruise
It adds
itself,
up quick. It will add up quick.
right, the airfare and all this, but also, and they didn't explain this, which don't understand why they didn't explain this. I'm going to read this. If you have the Carnival Reward MasterCard, which we do because
Outside
helps us.
points, right?
Right. It says new co-brand credit card with Barclay is ties to the program, offering opportunities to reach status and earn points faster. Okay, so are you telling me I have to get a new credit card, or is my old credit card, which I have,
We got to find out, or if anybody knows,
Right,
that
please.
we're still looking for answers on.
right? And you got points on the credit card what you earn for free cruises or whatever else. But
And that's buying stuff outside of cruising, right? If you're using that credit card.
yes, because you get 2 points if you book Carnival and use it on the cruise for Carnival stuff.
Yeah.
And 1 point outside. But are those points going to go towards star points or what?
Well, you might have to call the cruise line and find out. We can get your answers. We'll
Right.
get these answers to you guys. We're gonna have to call the cruise line and find out.
or if someone's out there that knows that question, please comment
or
down
if you've
below.
if you've already asked, let us know.
Right. So I'm glad they
So
did.
basically, what he wants to know is he
With the
has
credit
that
card.
credit card already. It's not a new one,
Right.
but does he have to get a new one in order for this to count? So that's what we want to know. Or
Right.
does the old one automatically count towards?
Because I got a lot of points.
Yeah.
And if that transfers, then that'd be awesome. But if not,
Well, it won't start till this starts, but yeah,
right. And
So.
I understand. And that would suck if.
it wouldn't be old points. It'd be whatever you do with ongoing with this.
Maybe.
They won't take your old points and add it up. It'll, yeah. All right.
That sucks.
Okay.
Well, anyways, I just want to share that with you because I was interested in, okay, you got these star points. Okay, you released the 50,000. Oh, and if I got to tell you, within 2 years, you got to have 100,000 stars to be diamond. That's a lot of cruising and that's a lot of points.
But like you said, once you are diamond, you don't ever
No.
lose that status.
No.
But if you haven't gotten to diamond before this kicks in, it's not likely, unless you're very avid cruisers, that you're ever going to get diamond status.
That's the thing. I wish,
Because
I wish-
we're not going to cruise with Carnival that often.
no, I wish if you did make diamond status, you're diamond forever, but it's not like that. If you make your 100,000, yeah, you're diamond, but you got to have to, do that in 2 years.
Wait,
No.
I thought they said once you make diamond, you don't ever lose it.
No, that's before end of May, June. They're giving you, hey, okay, you're diamond now, you're diamond forever. Okay, if you can make diamond before end of May, June of 2026,
Yeah, why won't you be diamond forever then?
you're diamond forever. But or platinum, right? Let's say we have a crazy year, we make 100,000 points, we're diamond.
Yeah.
We got to do that again in 2 years.
No.
Yeah.
No.
That's the
Carnival,
catch.
Carnival's nice, but it's not. I'm enjoying other cruise lines.
Yeah. I mean, I like to keep our platinum status up.
No.
Fine. It'd been great to have that white card and say, hey, look at I'm diamond. But you know what?
I never did that. Who cares?
No.
People talk about that. You're bragging about your card. I'm not like that.
Me personally, I like to say, hey, look at, I'm diamond.
Well, you do that with your son as a joke, but. Yeah.
But I'm already platinum on Princess, so.
So hey, Josh, if you're watching, he's diamond or platinum.
I'm Princess in right now. Carnival.
All right, whatever. So. It's a color, guys.
Yeah.
It's just a color.
I know, it is. So I'm happy they did release the point system. What we need. Yes, it's not perfect. Yes, I'd like to see a little bit better loyalty program.
And they could still tweak it. I mean, they keep changing things every other week. So.
Right. All right, that's all the news I got for today.
All right.
You got anything?
If you guys are enjoying our content, please remember it is free to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below. Hit the thumbs up if you like any of the videos, so we kind of know what content is doing well.
Yep.
And if you want to be reminded or find out when we put content out, hit the little bell.
Ding,
click
ding,
the
ding.
little bell, and it will alert you when we put new videos out.
Yep.
And I think we were talking about maybe doing a giveaway sometime in October.
Yep.
So sometime in October, look for that. We are going to be doing another giveaway, and that will be an Amazon gift card giveaway. We won't tell you the denomination yet because we have to discuss that. But
and another live coming up soon.
Yeah, we haven't decided when to do the live yet because we did get season tickets to the Lions football games.
Yep.
So our weekends have been kind of busy with games and
I've been working
activities.
a lot of overtime too.
So we will still be doing our lives. We want to get out and do that again. So when we can figure out a date, we'll get that out. We just have a lot of stuff going on. We've got October pretty busy.
A wedding.
November,
games.
Frankenmuth.
We'll film Frankenmuth because I know you guys like Frankenmuth.
November is our next cruise, and then December is Christmas. So we will definitely get another live in there, guys, and go from there.
All right. On that note, love y'all. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video side.
Take care, all. Bye-bye.
Bye now.